All right, so in this next part, we're going to talk about tasks with subtasks. So we've already talked about how you can use the multiplication principle to compute the number of ways to complete a series of tasks. But sometimes you have tasks that have subtasks. Okay, so one of the tasks may have a series of tasks in itself. So let's take a look at example 8 and to see how that works. So in example 8, you have 7 students that are going to be seated in a row of 7 chairs. But Sasha and Malia insist on sitting next to each other. So here's what we're going to do. Okay, I'm just going to treat Sasha and Malia as a group. Okay, and then we have 5 other students. So if you think about arranging those basically 6 things, we're going to treat Sasha as being one group. Okay, then we would have, we would have 6 people, right? We have, if you're treating Sasha and Malia, we have 6 different things we have to seat. We got the Sasha Malia group and then 5 others. And so we would have 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 ways to seat the Sasha and Malia group, right? Plus the other 5, right? So you'd have 6. If you're going to say that you're going to seat Sasha and Malia first, you had 6 different places to put them, right? We're gonna treat them as if their chairs are joined together, right? We have 6 different ways to put them, and then the next person would have 5 choices, and the next person would have 4 and 3 and 2 and 1, and so on. So we'd have this meant 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 ways. Ways to arrange the Sasha Malia group, Sasha/Malia group, right, plus the 5 others. Okay. All right. Now, are we done? Now, the one thing you have to keep in mind that we have to arrange Sasha and Malia as well. Even though they're one group, there's two people in that, and we could have Sasha and then Malia, or we could have Malia and Sasha. So we have 2 ways to arrange the Sasha and Malia groups. To arrange the Sasha Malia group. Okay. And then we'd be done, right? When we've got, we've got the 5 people plus the Sasha Malia group that we've arranged, and then we've also arranged Sasha and Malia within their little group. And so we essentially have 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 ways to arrange the 5 people plus Sasha Malia as a group. And then we have 2 ways to arrange the people within, the 2 people within the Sasha and Malia group. So if we multiply that all together, we end up with 1,440 ways. Okay? All right, so take a look at the next one, give it a try, and I'll meet you next video to go through it.